Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 8. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Express A is equal to 1 5 minus 1 2 as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We have to express A as what? Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. A means you know that symmetric means you know that definition. A transpose is equal to A, you will get. Skew symmetric means what? A transpose is equal to minus A. We have to express the A as what? Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. First you write given, that is A is equal to how much he has given? That is 1 5 minus 1 2, dear students. Here A transpose is what? Now see, A transpose how to write? First row will become first column, dear students. Transpose means row will becomes columns, here columns will become row. First row is what? 1 5, that has become first column. Second row is what? Minus 1 2, that will become here second column. Can you see second column? So now let P is equal to what? P is equal to half into A plus A transpose, dear students. So P is equal to half into A is what, dear students? A is, can you see, 1 5 minus 1 2 plus A transpose is what? 1 minus 1 5 2. So add them, you know how to add. How you will add? You see, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus into minus here, plus into minus 1, 5 minus 1 4, dear students. Minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 means 4, dear students. 2 plus 2, 4. So you multiply half here inside, half into 2, that is 1, 2 1 are 2, that is half into 4, 2 1 are 2 2s are 4. 2 1 are again half into 4 is what? 2 1 are 2 2s are. Half into 4 means 2 1 are 2 2s are. So that is what you got, P value you got. So let us take now P transpose. P transpose you take, how much you will get? Because I have to show it as what? P as a symmetric. So now P transpose, if I take first row is what? 1 2, that will become first column here, 1 2. Second row is what? 2 2, that will become here second column, dear students. Can you see? So you compare with P transpose and P. P is what? 1 2 2 2. P transpose is what? 1 2 2 2. If P transpose is equal to P means what? According to the definition of symmetric, A transpose is equal to A. So P transpose is equal to P means P is nothing but what? Symmetric matrix, dear students. Therefore, or thus P is a symmetric matrix, dear students. Symmetric matrix. Clear? So now let also Q is equal to Q is equal to what? Half into A minus A transpose. Also let Q is equal to, otherwise you can write let Q is equal to what? Q is equal to, it is not clear for you, I will erase and I will write. So also let Q is equal to half into A minus A transpose, dear students. What? Let Q is equal to half into A minus A transpose. Now I have to show Q as what? Skew symmetric, dear students. Skew symmetric matrix definition says what? Q transpose is equal to minus Q, I have to show. So now let's see how to show this one. Q is equal to half into A is what, dear students? A is that? A is what? 1 5 minus 1 2. 1 5 minus 1 2 minus A transpose is what? A transpose 1 minus 1 5 2. 1 minus 1 5 2. So you subtract them, how much you will get? Q, you can see 1 minus 1 0. Clear? 5 minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 5 plus 1 is what? 6. minus 1 minus into 5 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 is what? Minus 6. 2 minus into 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So half you multiply inside, half into 0, 0, half into 6 is what? 3. Half into minus 6, minus 3. Half into 0, 0. Clear? This is your Q value. Understood? Now Q transpose you take. Q transpose, how much it will give? 0, first row will become first column. 0, 3 was the first row. That has become first column. Now second row is what? Minus 3, 0 will become, second row will become second column here. Minus 3, 0. Clear? So we can take minus sign outside. So what you will get? 0, 3, minus 3, 0, dear students. See how I am taking minus, I will explain you. Minus into 0, 0. Minus into 3, minus 3. Minus into minus, plus 3. Minus into 0, 0, dear students. And now I will write this minus as this. And 0, 3, minus 3, 0 is what? 0, 3, minus 3, 0 is what? Q or none. So that's why you can write it as Q. Q transpose is equal to minus Q means what? Q is a skew symmetric matrix, dear students. Thus Q is a skew symmetric. Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Clear? So please copy this. Let's continue the answer. I hope all of you are copied. Let us continue the answer. Now P plus Q is equal to, because why we are writing, you know that we have to express A as what? Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Already you have told P is a symmetric and Q is what? Skew symmetric. Means sum of symmetric means what? Addition of P and Q. So that's why we are adding. It should have to give answer as what? A, dear students. So P is what, dear students? P is, can you see the P value? 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. Plus, what is the Q value? Q is how much? Q, can you see? Q is equal to 0, 3, minus 3, 0. 0, 3, minus 3, 0. So add them, dear students. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 2, see here. 2 plus into minus, minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, dear students. 2 plus 0, 2. So this is nothing but your A only, dear students. You can check A value is what? 1, 5, minus 1, 2. 1, 5, minus 1, 2. This is minus 1, don't get confused. So then we can write what? Thus A is represented as sum of a symmetric, sum of a represented as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, dear students. So this is your answer. I hope you are liking the video. If you are liking my channel, so please like and subscribe. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support us and support me. So fine, we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.